Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is custard apple basundi or custard apple rabri. So basically this is a rabri or a basundi recipe, but to give it a twist I'm adding in the pulp of custard apple or rampala. So to get started, here I have about half a liter of full cream fresh milk in a thick bottom kadai, and I have let it boil. After the cream or the malai is formed like so, stick it onto the sides and continue to boil. And make sure you do not mix the malai into the milk again. And coming to the flame instructions, keep the flame between low to medium and not between medium to high or in a high flame, because the recipe is bound to keep cooking your milk in a very low flame till it reduces to about 1/3 or 1/2 of the quantity. So have patience and cook it. Likewise, to mention about the kadai instructions for this recipe, have a thick bottomed kadai, either a non-stick thick bottomed kadai or a cast iron kadai goes good. And do not use any other utensils like steel or aluminium for this particular recipe. Repeating the steps for almost several times, the milk is reduced to about half of the quantity and the malai is collected for almost about 7 to 8 times like so. And now let's scrape the sides and mix it into the milk. Even after using a non-stick kadai, it seems a little tough job to scrape your sides because the malai kept cooking continuously for about more than half an hour. So this is the reason I mentioned you the kadai instructions for this recipe. So after this is done, I'm adding in the sugar that is required for the recipe. And I took about half a cup of sugar, but I felt it is too much, so I added in about 1/3 cup of sugar. Because the fruit that we are going to add in, that is the custard apple, already has sweetness in it, so make sure to add the required quantity of sugar and not much more than that. So after the sugar melts and the color changes like so, I'm adding in the flavorful cardamom powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now give it a good mix and turn off the flame and keep this aside until it cools down. And here I have about 1 cup of custard apple pulp that is extracted without any seeds in it, and I'm adding it into a mixer jar and grinding it into a fine paste. And make sure to grind this into a fine paste without adding any water or milk. Now let's add in the custard apple or the rampala pulp into the rabri or the basundi that is already made and kept aside. You can also serve this basundi without the custard apple pulp, and just by adding in a few strands of saffron will go good to serve it just like a plain basundi. But here I am giving it a good twist by adding in the custard apple pulp. So I poured it in and mixed it well. And then I transferred this recipe into my serving cups and I refrigerated this for about 4 to 5 hours before I serve them chilled and yummy. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and drop down in the comments below how it turns out and what next you want to watch on my channel. Until next time, bye!